KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, good morning, viewer. KG Auto, we're back here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What we have here is a 2007 Hyundai Azera 3.3 liter. We're going to be replacing the upper control arm. I'm going to show you what it will take to do this job, and here's the parts. We have the part. If you're going to do this job, make sure you get something good. You know, it's the upper one. We're changing the both sides, but I'm going to show one side. That's the part number right there. Hope you guys can see it. There's left and there's right. So when you look at the two, this one end with 8.6, and this one end with 8.7. So that tells you it has different size. They are far. So I'm gonna bring you guys here and show you the reason why we're replacing it, in case when your vehicle is old, 2007, 2008, you know, this thing tend to go back. But I haven't said that. KG, let's go. We're getting right now. So I want you to pay attention over here. If you blink your eye, you won't see that.
He shock you.
Just look at it. See that movement there? I hope you can see it. See it? So when your car have this, there's going to be a lot of routing going on while you're driving. So that's why we're replacing it. So let me go ahead. We'll take off the tire. I'm ready to do this job. KG, stay tuned. So we're going to take off the lug nuts. I don't think I need to show anybody how to do that, but anywho, it's 21. I just put a brakes on this. I just changed the brakes and rotor the other day. That's how I decided to tell the customer this is what is happening in his car. So then he said, okay, he want to do it. That's why we're here. See, brakes and rotor. So let me grab some tools and then be ready to do this job. KG, stay tuned. So looking at it right here, we're gonna lose this guy, but I'm not sure if these bolts, they're gonna come out like so. So we might have to drop these shocks a little bit to be able, I can get to the bolt with a flat, but I don't think the bolt will have enough space to come out. But anyway, we'll give it a try and we'll see what happens. We're gonna lose this now with that's a 17 or something. Yep, we'll lose that. And see what else we're gonna lose. This thing is really bad. So we'll leave a little thread there because we have to use the hammer to tap it a little bit so that the thing doesn't just fly out like that. There we go. So one knock is already out. So we're gonna lose this now. Take this boy out, just like so. All right. See, it's really bad. See that? So like I said, we're gonna lose this, but I know that we have to drop the shocks because there's no way. I don't think I can be able to. So what I would do is just load this. We lose the sway bar link right here. Then we'll lose this bolt down here. So we drop this truck so we can be able to, that's the best thing to do. So there's no game, we can't play over this. If not, we're gonna be there. So I'll lose the sway bar link right here. Then I'll come down here. I don't want to block I'll lose this guy right here. Then by then these trucks will come down a little bit. Then from there we have space to bring out those two bolts. So let me undo that and I'll bring you guys back. KG stage. So like I was saying before, I had to drop the trucks. So this is one of the bolts because they are very long bolts. So there wasn't no way that thing can come out of it, you know. So I'm losing the other one now. So you must drop it, if not, that bolt is not gonna come up. But they are once you break it loose, I just use my hand to finish losing it out. Let me see if this one. So you have to move the stroke from one side to one side. So you see, the tin is broken loose, so you can just use your hand. Beautiful, the thread is very good. So bring it out completely. So, see? Just like so. So now, I'll just put this one on this side so we know right is going to right, left is going to left. So that's it. See, so losing this truck is, see, this isn't be bad. Look at, can you see that? So when your car is like this, see? Cause I noticed one thing, when the man was driving it, cause I happened to to pick up his car, drop it at work and bring it back. The car was just like, see, this thing has been bad for a long time. You see this? You can see that dust right there. Like the thing was just wobbling. This one is bad, everything was just bad. I mean, if the bushing is that bad like this, you know, it's like you don't have no car at all. So that's what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and match it up. Like I said, there's a left and there's a right. So let me bring this guy out. I will try to match it up. So this one is the TC3486. So take it out. We'll see if it match. Even if it match, I'll bring the other one so that you guys will see the difference. There's a left one, there's a right side. Okay, so you see, even it's written on it, you can see it there. See there, let me turn around. L stand for left. See? That's the right side, so there's no need of bringing the other one out because they already show it right here. Even when you look at this old one, it's even written there. It might be like a little, see there? It's written there. All right, so that's what it is. So this is the way it's supposed to look, not the bushing jumping up and down with a carabiner. So go ahead and put this guy back in here. I might just spray some lubrication right here to make the thing goes in easily. This spray is not working properly anymore. So we'll go right there and put this guy back just like so. And then we'll start the boat up. There we go. So you just move the stroke to the left or to the right. So I didn't really lose anything here apart from I take off the sway bar link, like I said, and I lose the stroke underneath. Then on top of right here, I lose the bolt so that the stroke can drop down. So we'll move it sideways like this. Sorry if I'm blocking the video. That's why sometimes I want to explain things. So there's no point of me videoing it if you cannot see what I'm doing. Anyway, I have to move the camera because the camera is standing on my way. I'm not doing a good job right now. So this tooth is really good. This is what I use, you know, so that you don't have to be taking it off, you know. It's very good to use. So anyway, it's tied around. So when you come right on top, right, there's a two bolt that is covering this guy that you need to undo. It's a 10 bolt. I'll show you right there. Once you lose that two bolt, then you open it up, and this is a 15. Okay. So I just wanted to point that out. So now we're gonna go ahead now, and so I end up losing this guy a little bit because it was too much for me to kind of handle. So I just lose it, and then now we should be fine once I put the bottom one in there. So go ahead now and tie that, and then bring it back. So after you do that, you go ahead and put this bottom bolt for the struts. Just lift it up right here at the bottom, nice and easy. Push it to the right direction. There we go. And you tap it in. There we go. Now we can lift it up here. Tie this guy right here. So right there. Tie that guy. Then we'll tie the swivel link. Tie this. Then one side will be done already. So the other side, I don't need to show that. So that's a 19. Got a 19 socket and a flat. Okay, so we just lift up this now. Put this guy there now. Put a swivel link. Anybody can do this, I believe. There we go. I'll put this guy in there. I think I put a little small knot this time. Almost look like a 17 or something. Yeah, I believe the first one was 17 too. There's a 17. I'll go ahead and tie that up. It's a really hot day today in New York, so I try to hide under the little tree here. Anything I can do. It's almost 90 something degree, you know. Like in July and August is the hottest month in the summer. You know, God will see us through. Go ahead and tie this. And drink a little water. All right. So there was a little cutter pin that comes with it. I put it in there. There we go. Just use your hand to wide it up, and I'll put the swivel link right here, just like so. I'll push this guy down. Okay, you need to. This is where you need to eat some African food. so that you can be able to put this guy in there. Yeah. Eat some African food, baby. Dare you to try some African food. You will love it. You will say to KG, I didn't know this food tastes so good like this. KG, thank you for telling me. So that's it there. We'll put this guy, tie this guy there, and that's it. So they say the rest is history. So I like to turn this one. I can tie with my hand as well. I like to use my gun there, but the gun cannot go in there because of the position of the. Hope it's not spinning. Yeah, it's spinning. Yep, it's spinning, so I have to get something to grip it up. And that's pretty much it anyway. That's pretty much it. So next time you need to change your upper control arm. Not only you know what to do, you know the part that you need to get also. Get a good part, it will last you for a very long time. Because imagine when you're driving, this thing always like go up and down like so. So it's better you get a good one. You don't want to get it from some of the internet stuff. I'm not mentioning it. Some of them is not really good. Might work like 6 months, and next time you have to change it again. So you want to put something there that is good. So question, comments, please do not hesitate. We are here to help each other. I'm here to help you to save as much money that I can save in your pocket. Do not hesitate. It's better you live full and die empty. This knowledge, we cannot take it with us. I will see you on my next episode. KG, love your peace. I am gone.